Jack, it's not easy. It's the first thing you need to accept and understand. Being in business is filled with challenges. You're never done. But that's what makes it exciting. It's all about your mindset. You choose to love what you do. You choose to overcome challenges. You don't point fingers. It's a cliche that in every challenge there's opportunity. You have to maintain that mindset and you have to be driven to overcome them. Another thing I want you to think about and understand is don't ever take your team for granted or your customers for granted. You've never made it. As easy as you think you got somewhere, you can lose it all. So you never stop. You never stop working, caring about your team, and being grateful every time the phone rings. You must stay humble and driven. We're focused on our industry and our challenges. I was having a really cool in-depth conversation with members of the dairy industry who've had a lot of hardships in recent years. Legislative pressures, lots of things to overcome. And what it made me realize is that our industry is no different. It's really what you do about it.